Alright, we're now going to do a little walking tour of the property here. Here we are at 111. You come on out. Got a nice courtyard here for grilling. We've got the stream, which is flowing real good with all the melt off right now. And yeah, there's one flight of stairs. So here's the bridge. And there's the elevator right there. Okay, so there's the elevator, and the door for your unit for 111 is right there. We're not going to take the elevator right now, we're just going to take the stairs. But come on down the property here. And we're now on garage level. So this is the garage under the north building here. Plenty of parking. This garage is a little bit larger. Got access at the other end there. And walking through over to the south building here, you've got the two garages here as well. So they're open air, and there's the elevator and the main office. So everything is very close proximity. You've got a little bit of surface parking here. And then this is where 4 o'clock run comes down. Four o'clock run is right here. And that little shed right there is your bus stop. Everything's very close proximity. You can walk to town. If you have any questions, teamflick@summitliving.com.